everyone, thank you for joining me once again on the vegan season, where it's the season to be vegan. First, I want to say welcome for all you new people who are here, and again, thank you to all my subscribers and my new subscribers, the ones who were here from the beginning, the ones who will subscribe today, the ones who subscribed yesterday or whatever day it was. Thank you and welcome. I appreciate your support so much. We are growing and I am so happy about that. Today I will be making fudge brownies with carob chips. So this is not the only recipe I have of brownies, but this is what I will be making today. The ingredients I will be using today is carob powder, coconut sugar. This is vegan coffee, Roma coffee, baking powder, sea salt, chopped walnuts, carob chips, gluten-free flour, vanilla, maple syrup, grapeseed oil, and almond milk. So first we want to put our oil, maple syrup, milk, and vanilla together, and we're going to stir that up in a bowl. So I'm going to add my milk first. Pour that in there. My vanilla. Put that on the side. Oil, and maple syrup. And if you don't want to use maple syrup, you can use agave. We want to stir that up. So these are our wet ingredients. Okay, so we're going to put that aside because we're going to use it just in a few minutes. Okay, just gave a bowl of quick rinse. And our dry ingredients, everything is already measured out. Our flour, our carob powder and sugar, our vegan coffee, baking powder and salt. Pour everything in there. And let me get, actually I could use this to stir. Okay, so we want to stir that together. And while we're doing this, remember we want to set our oven to 350 degrees. So let's do that right now, because I totally forgot to do it. So I'm just mixing the dry ingredients together. Okay, so now we have our dry ingredients, so we're going to add, this is a nice, quick, delicious dessert. So it doesn't take long to make at all. And then to the dry recipe, we're going to add the wet ingredients. With the dry ingredients, we'll add the wet ingredients. Put that on the side. And just want to give it a nice mix. And when everything is, ooh, looks nice, it smells good. So what we want to do, we don't want to over mix it, because we still have to add in the walnuts and the carob chips. So we just want to fold everything in. Just make sure everything is mixed in together, but we don't want to do too much stirring. I don't want to do too much. Now we want to add in our walnuts. And I'm going to add the walnuts in at the same time as the carob chips, because I'm just going to fold it in. Now, if you don't want to use nuts, or if you're allergic to nuts, you don't have to use it. That's fine. You don't have to use the carob chips. That's fine. You can use chocolate chips if you choose. You don't have to use walnuts. You can use peanuts. You can use cashews. You can use almonds. You can use pecans, whatever you want. Or you can just go nut-free if you choose. But this is going to be nice and fudgy with the addition of the carob chips. So instead of using chocolate chips, there's vegan chocolate chips, but for this recipe, I'm using carob chips. So it's going to be nice and fudgy and moist. Okay? See how I'm not stirring it. I'm not trying to overdo it. Okay? You just want to fold it in. We don't want to stir it too much. Our batter is mixed, so I'm going to pour it into my silicone square baking tray. So what you see in there, I just rinsed it out with water. I don't really need to dry it because this is silicone, so it's not going to stick. So I'm going to pour the batter in, or scrape it in. In there. It smells so good. So I'm trying to get all the carob chips in here. And you know, as usual, you want to make sure your hands are clean, because you will more than likely use your fingers, like what I am about to do, to scrape the rest of the batter from the spoon into your baking dish. Okay, so my hands are clean, they're washed. I'm scraping with my finger. Then I'm just going to just spread it out as much as possible. And like I said, this is not the only brownie recipe I have. This is not the only brownie recipe I have. I have more in the works, believe me. So I am looking forward to that, to showing you that. And I'm working on my website for these recipes so I could give you all the measurements and everything like that. So that's still coming. I didn't forget about that. That is still coming. So stay tuned for that. And if you're enjoying the video so far, just give me a like, a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. This looks so good. So this is what it looks like. And we're going to bake this for 35 minutes. We don't want to over bake it. So, you know, because it'll dry out. So we're going to bake this for 35 minutes at 350. The brownies are done. And I was walking through the house and the whole place smells like brownies. So, oh my goodness, I can't wait to eat it. So this is what it looks like. The fork is coming out clean, so it's finished. We see the carob chips on top. We see the walnuts in there. So now I'm going to cut into it, cut into a piece. To show you what the inside looks like. Cut into a nice little square. I don't want to. Ooh. And this is what it looks like. Oh, it looks so good. Can't wait to eat. Okay. So this is what the brownies look like cut up into squares. And I will be having mine with a nice glass of almond milk. So, once again, thank you for joining me on the vegan season. I hope you enjoyed this brownie, this fudgy brownie, carob brownie recipe. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you like what you saw, like and subscribe. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for the support. If you feel the need to donate, the links are in the description box down below. And again, thank you so much for being here with me today. God bless and enjoy. Bye.